Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. There are so many candle warmers out there now, but this one is my new favorite. I think it's so beautiful. Let me show you all about it.
All of the little details that Funistree has put into this dimmable candle warmer have really just made it so perfect. It has this great floral lampshade that has the most beautiful tint to the glass, as well as this rose gold post that it's on. And the wooden non slip base is absolutely gorgeous. It looks good whether it's turned on or off. And they provide you with everything you need, including two of the light bulbs. And look at this dimming feature. It's just so easy to use, along with the timer functions, so you can choose for how long you want your candle to melt for. I just love being able to put this somewhere like my library so I can enjoy such a good smelling candle in my favorite room.
So if you are looking for a new beautiful candle warmer, I highly recommend this one, and that's my point of view.